Hello everyone! Welcome to today's DIY tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your very own custom plush character, Charlie the Steak, inspired by the quirky mobile game developed by DynamicDust in 2013. If you're familiar with games like Kick the Buddy, you'll know the type of chaotic fun Charlie brings. But today, we're turning this anthropomorphic steak from a stress relief punching bag into a soft, huggable plush toy. Charlie is an unusual character, a walking, talking steak that's often put through a lot in the game. You can use knives, blowtorches, and even dynamite on him. In our plush version, we'll highlight his iconic steak-like body with marbled textures and give him a face that's just begging to be hugged or poked. We'll be using different fabrics for the steak layers and adding some playful details to bring out Charlie's personality. And there you have it. Our custom plush of Charlie the Steak is complete, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. What do you guys think? Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know how your plush turned out, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.